Hello guys, most of them get answer 1 for this problem in wrong way. Here 90 divided by 5 times this is 9 times this 2. Here 90 divided by this is 45 times 2. Here we'll get 90. This 90 divided by 90 is 1. This is wrong. As for the PEMDAS, here this is multiplication, division. Both are equal priority. Also this addition and subtractions are equal priority. For this we have to follow here left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to do this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. As per the PEMDAS, bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket first. So 90 divided by 5 times this is 9 times 2. Now we have division, multiplication and multiplication. All are equal priority. We have to follow here left to right. Left to right is this. So 18 times 9 times 2. Now this is 162 times 2, which is 324 is the correct answer.